Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how strawberries are grown using hydroponic technology, harvested by advanced machines, and packaged for fresh delivery. If you enjoy learning about high-tech farming and food production, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hydroponic farming is a modern agricultural technique that allows plants to grow without soil. Instead, strawberries are cultivated in a nutrient-rich water solution that provides them with all essential minerals. This method offers several benefits. It enables faster plant growth by allowing roots to absorb nutrients more efficiently. It also reduces water consumption by up to 90% compared to traditional farming. Since hydroponics does not rely on soil, it minimizes the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, it allows for year-round strawberry production, regardless of seasonal changes. The process begins with seedlings being placed into hydroponic systems. These systems are often set up in vertical farms or climate-controlled greenhouses, ensuring optimal light, temperature, and humidity conditions for growth. If you find this information interesting, please like this video and let us know your thoughts in the comments. This controlled environment allows strawberries to grow faster and develop a sweeter taste compared to outdoor farming methods. After approximately 4 months, the plants begin to flower and produce fruit. Once the strawberries are fully ripe, they are ready for harvesting. Traditionally, strawberries were harvested by hand, which required significant labor. However, modern farming utilizes robotic harvesting machines to improve efficiency and reduce waste. The harvesting process consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Artificial intelligence-powered cameras scan the plants to identify strawberries that have reached optimal ripeness. Step 2. A robotic arm or suction-based system gently picks the ripe strawberries without causing damage. This technology ensures speed and precision in the harvesting process. Step 3. The harvested strawberries are passed through an automated sorting system. Any unripe or damaged strawberries are removed, ensuring that only high-quality fruit is sent for packaging. If you find agricultural technology fascinating, consider subscribing to our channel for more content on modern farming innovations. After harvesting, strawberries are transported to a clean, temperature-controlled facility where they are prepared for market distribution. Next, they are packed into protective containers designed to maintain freshness and prevent bruising. Finally, the packaged strawberries are stored in cold storage before being shipped to supermarkets and retail stores. The use of hydroponic farming, robotic harvesting, and advanced packaging techniques ensures that fresh, high-quality strawberries reach consumers faster than ever before. Hydroponic farming is revolutionizing the agricultural industry. By eliminating soil dependence and incorporating automation, farmers can produce fresh, sustainable, and high-quality strawberries with greater efficiency. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about modern food production, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.